Are you ready to rock? 5 mistakes most people make when drumming. There are a few mistakes that drummers make when they're drumming, and I have narrowed it down to 5 major mistakes. The first 2 are speeding up and slowing down. Some drummers just speed up when they do a fill. Others slow down when they get to the chorus. There's one sure remedy for this, and that is practice with a metronome. Practicing with the metronome will help you, and the next time you play with a band, you'll notice a remarkable difference. Sometimes it's the other musicians that are speeding up or slowing down, and the drummer instinctively follows them. They may not even notice that they're doing this. So this is the drummer's responsibility to let them know that it's happening and to get them to follow him, the drummer, not the other way around. Practice at different tempos, playing rudiments, rock beats, fills, etc. Make it fun. The third mistake is playing too loud for the band. Try to listen to the band as a whole, not just yourself. The band is trying to play as a unit where no one instrument is dominating the other. The fourth mistake is having a bad attitude. Music is about having fun. Having the right attitude will make others want to hire you and make playing so much more enjoyable. Isn't that why you wanted to play the drums in the first place? The fifth mistake is not practicing. Every great musician practices each and every day, either for a few minutes or a few hours. That's what makes them so much better than musicians that don't practice. Practicing doesn't necessarily have to be boring. Make it fun for yourself. Practice the songs. I used to. As a matter of fact, I still do. So remember to practice. Remember the slogan, practice makes perfect. It'll make you improve a lot faster. Hey, if you like this video, please subscribe and check out my other video. How many cymbals do you really need?